Good morning, folks. It is 2:58 a.m. September 14th, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Ladies and gentlemen, we have incoming. We've got some large CMEs. We are here at the Soho NASCOM. This is Lasco C3, and we have large incoming. This is going to be crazy. Yeah, I'll just hit play, and you guys can kind of see it coming. We have one popping off over here, and then we've got a really big one coming over here. I'm hoping that this will actually show up for us. Actually, if I refreshed it would probably be even better, but that's fine. I've actually had this on standby for a little while. Oh, look at that. Looks like a little planet. Haha, another one. And then she comes. Now, this is us over here. Just so you know. Yeah, this isn't pretty. See it? Oh, yeah. Oh, big old push. Oh, look at something's round right there. It's kind of weird. Oh, they did kind of cut it, didn't they? Let me see if I can refresh it up, if it does anything better. Alright, yeah, I actually got some extra frames out of it. But I'm going to go ahead and play right where she's popping off on the left side there. Sorry, folks, I'm outside and it's a little bit windy. I love being in the outdoors, fresh air. Alright. Oh, look at that, look at that. Ooh, planet. And coming off the right side here. Coming at you. And I think they cut it off, actually. They won't let you actually see. I mean, it starts off like huge, and then just just slowly, just keeps on pushing out. I mean, look at it. Look at that. You see that? Yo, that ought to tighten up some butts. All right, here we are at Lasco C2. Let's get this baby started. There's quite a bit of action. Yeah, you guys should definitely come here and do one frame at a time. I mean, if you look, you see a bunch of really good ones. You can see them up close. Ooh, look at that one. Oh, that's on the backside. This is what's coming at us right here, folks. Right here. Take a peek at this baby. Look right here. You'll see. Oh, what is that? Planet. Or a second sun. Either way, I think our sun is giving birth. She's just popping them out like daisies or something. I don't know. She sure is giving it out. Excuse me. Goodness gracious, she definitely oh, start over. All right, let's go and check seeds where we can see a little bit more. Seeds should actually be very productive. All right, here we are at seeds, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a sneaker peeker at this thing, huh? We're actually going to have quite a bit of activity here. Oh, are you going backwards? Oh, this little turd. It is. Alright. Oh, wait a minute. What the heck? Yeah. Sorry, I don't know. I don't know why it was doing that. Yep, it is doing that. Turn it around. Sorry, folks. I'm not really all with it today. Been having a lot of issues. Ah, mouth tickling my ear. Personal life stuff, you know. Oh, look at that. That is nice. Ooh, there's another nice one. All right, here we go. Starting her over. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah, it really kicks off right here. First thing, boom. Loving it. Watch this. Say hello to my little friend. Yes, I just did a screenshot. This is the times that you do these screenshots, and I'll just do it on the fly, do it live. Like, how you doing? I ain't scared. You know, I'll tell you. Here, let me hit pause. Pause. If it'll actually flip and pause. Let's back this up a little bit. Take a look here. It looks like it really honestly looks like there's a couple of them. Look at that. One there. One there. One there. One there. Folks, what is going on? Seriously. Like, what the hell is going on there? I don't know. I don't get it. If somebody could explain that to me, I'd greatly appreciate it. Hit your hit a comment. Let me know. Please, please like and subscribe to my channel if you would, please. I'd appreciate it. Oh, look, there's another one. There's another one. Where's my pause? Dang it. Getting too slow on the draw. Jeez. Oh, that's gorgeous. There's another pop. Yeah, sometimes I'm a little nerd. I don't really do a whole lot that others do. It's kind of funny because people ask me, what do you do? What do you do? I mean, what do I do? Like, what do you do for a living? A living? I'm a dad. I got kids. I love being a full-time dad. Ladies and gentlemen, if you ever happen to be going through a divorce, you really need to plan it out with your future ex-spouse. And you are going to have to fight your butt off for your rights. Take it from me. I've got 3 kids. I haven't seen them since March because of their mother. And when you got a guy who loves his kids and loves being a dad, that's the worst torture on the planet. It really is. Make sure your kids love you. Make sure that they know that you love them. That's the biggest thing. Make sure that they know that you love them. Let's go check out another seeds, huh? Alright, here we are. It's 304. Got this filament here. Should be lifting up here. Just a second. Why aren't you playing? Come on. Ugh. Seriously. Stand by. Alright, here we go. SDO. See, that one goes, and then this thing actually, that threw quite a lot. Now watch this. This bugger right here lifts off. Do a little side thing. Whoop, and then pull that one. Woof. That's actually kind of exciting. And if we take a look at this one, you should see it going off. Oh, did you see that? What the heck was that? Let's zoom in on that bugger. It almost looked like something came off of that. Yeah, see that? Keep an eye over here. Oh, did you see that? Whoa! Did you see that? It looked like something was running across the surface. Almost like a wild animal. And then it like jumped and took off. I want to see that again. And yes, those things that are streaking up and down, yes, those are absolutely 100% starships. That's crazy cool. Yeah, they're my little buddies, my little fellows. All right. Some of you might be wondering why I'm up at 3 o'clock in the morning, or 3:30 rather. Well, I'm tired, but I can't sleep. What's that say? You guys see the letters? See the letters? Looks like a J or a T. Huh. Okay, I better stop stirring that or I'm gonna have problems. No joke. This one, well, if they play it on and you see this thing actually pop, you'll see a lot come out with it. It's crazy. Boof. Yeah, it's doing really well. So, folks, there you have it for the night. Everybody be safe. Please pay attention. Love your family, your siblings, and your children. Because I promise you one thing. They love you whether they tell you it or not. They love you. And so do I. Good night.